So hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, we showed you a video of where we are going to supply seeds to the 10 schools, and today is yet another exciting episode where we are going to distribute fertilizers, pesticides, manure, charcoal dust, and things that we are going to use to establish these kitchen gardens around the city in the 10 schools. So you have to watch this. Kindly subscribe if you're watching me for the very first time. My name is Asperia, and we are working together in this project with my colleague Mother and other people that we are working with. The project is sponsored by Ricolto, AfriFood Links. These people saw it very necessary to support our city, our school-going children, improve on their nutrition, and also give them the skills that they can be able to grow these things around their homes and promote urban farming. The schools that we are going to work with are in the heart of mbale city, so we want to work and teach these children that even without big chunks of land, someone can be able to eat and survive. So watch the video, leave a comment for us, like it, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. And so this school feeding program is sponsored by Ricolto and AfriFood Links program, and they have purchased all the inputs that we need, including these include the fertilizers, the pesticides, the fungicides, the seeds like I showed you in the other video. They have bought tools that are going to give to the schools, and yeah, they have paid the technical labor. We are going to work together and we are going to change mbale city, especially the school-going children. We realize that most of the children in pupils here in Uganda, they do not eat at school, and it's a responsibility of a parent to pay school fees so that his children can be able to eat. Yes, the government caters for education in the UPE schools, but feeding is still a challenge. So the interventions that are being done by Ricolto and AfriFood Links, we hope it will be of big impact to our community, to our children. They'll be able to learn and practice these things even while at their homes. So this is going to be a very interesting project. So we divided up the things and we're able to pack them into 10 boxes, like for 10 schools, so that they'll be able to get each school enough inputs needed for the gardening. So keep watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, this is the right time for you to subscribe. So this is us here going to the schools to deliver the inputs. As you can see, the schools are not really in the same place, but at least they are scattered around. So the vehicle you see is carrying manure in front in charcoal dust that we're able to give to each school, about 20 bags, 10 for charcoal dust and then other 10 for farmyard manure, which we are going to use in the gardening. So we really thank Ricolto and AfriFood Links program for such a good initiative as Gem Agri Initiatives. Thank you for trusting us, and we promise to deliver the best. And also we know that our schools are really going to be blessed, like a lot is going to change in our communities. So keep watching, and we were able to reach out to the schools and they were very excited receiving the inputs, and yeah, we saw joy in their faces. Okay, I'll be taking you through the project. Keep watching and subscribe. It was really a hectic one. We finished deliveries at night, but it was really worth it. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you found something helpful. Kindly subscribe, like the video. Bye.